What's up, you guys? This is Rocky from Alamo Productions. What I'm about to do is the refrigerator challenge. So essentially what I'm about to do is take every single product out of Alamo Productions refrigerator and I'm gonna put it into a blender and I'm gonna drink every single bit of it, okay? Thank you so much, you guys, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We appreciate every single thing you guys do for us, okay? So watch, listen, and enjoy. Alright, you guys, so this is Alamo Productions' actual refrigerator, and essentially what we're going to do is do every single product in this whole entire refrigerator except our roommates. Obviously we have to have respect for them when it comes to this duct tape here and the duct tape there. So everything besides the duct tape that is actually portrayed to you, we are going to actually put in the blender and I will actually drink it up. Just so you know, last ingredient, some nice champagne, mate.
Looks like. Oh my god. Ew! What is this?
That's ice.
Ew, that's not ice, that's something else. Let me see.
Alright, Alright, you guys, as you saw, Holly actually blended up every single thing in the refrigerator that we actually could do. Obviously, as you can see, we had duct tape, you know, across some roommates' food, so we couldn't do that. But we have a ton of stuff that was actually blended up into this thing, so I think it would be adequate. Other than that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the top on this thing and take a whiff, and then see what we can do. I'll pour it into this glass and possibly chug it all. So let's go. How do you do this, Mike?
Okay.
Ooh.
Let me smell it.
Oh. I mean, it's not bad. It's just like not. You know?
It smells like pizza. It smells weird. Taste-wise, you might not get as lucky.
That's pretty much what it smells like, but you know, we'll see. All right. It smells more. It smells more like Caesar than anything.
It does. There is a lot of ranch and Caesar in there, though.
So we're gonna go ahead and pour this real quick into this glass.
Oh my god!
It even looks like pizza.
Ew! Why are you filling it to the Alright, guys.
Because, man.
You got a maniac.
I mean, I'm gonna taste it and then we'll see how that goes. And then if it's I got my barf bucket here, so worst comes worst, we're okay. It's not gonna go on the floor, alright? So let's see how this goes.
What does it taste like?
Texture is definitely not nice. Taste? It's condiments. Oh my gosh. God, it's so chunky, it's so gross. Disgusting.
How's it going?
No, it's not going good. I'm about to just chug the rest. Cheers. You guys have it? Refrigerator smoothie. 1 glass. All blended. Not without any hurt. That really sucked. If you guys have your own refrigerator challenge, please like and subscribe, comment, shoot us a share, what may have you. I mean, if it's awesome enough, we might share it as well. I would love to see everybody's variation on the whole smoothie, refrigerator smoothie challenge as well. Peace out from Alamo Production. Ugh.